Hello and welcome back to Read Sahitya. In today's video, we are discussing the sixth and final part of Ramanujan's well-known essay, Is There an Indian Way of Thinking? So in the last part of the essay, Ramanujan explains how India is experiencing a shift towards context-free situations. He says that with modernization, there has been a movement in societies of India from context sensitive to context free, at least in principle. He says, with the help of modern means and technology, people now can listen to any raga at any point of time, sitting in any corner of the world, unlike earlier when it was prescribed to be listened to at particular time and place. Ramanujan acknowledged the fact that new thoughts and behaviors and habits are being borrowed from the West, and our habits and lifestyles are surely influenced by the West. But these influences do not replace our religious ideas which are ingrained in the minds of the people. Ramanujan says, although the influence of the West is quite strong and increasing with each passing day, it still has not managed to replace the religious ideas and beliefs of Indian society. And when these foreign ideas fail to replace the existing religious practices prevailing in India, they get incorporated with the existing tradition. Ramanujan gives an example of Ayudh Puja. To explain this phenomenon, he says, now in Ayudh Puja, even computers and typewriters are being worshipped instead of weapons. Perhaps in Ayudh Puja there was a tradition to worship weapons, as in earlier days the weapons were used to hunt and cut wood, and it were the means of earning livelihood for people. But with the advent of modernization, the arrival of office jobs, computers and typewriters became the means of getting livelihood. But the Indian society, instead of getting rid of the practice of worshipping weapons, as they were no longer useful for them, they continued the tradition by starting another tradition of worshipping computers and typewriters, as these have become the modern means of earning livelihood. Ramanujan concludes the essay by saying, no matter how hard we, that is, Indians, try to move to become a context free society, the result is that the context free nature ends up becoming yet another context, that is, the modern context. Thank you so much for watching.